Viewers, today latest update from Ethiopia and Tigray clashes. Viewers, where is the war going? In the character of Heptom Abba, the Tigray Defense Army is in a confused situation, not only its friends but also its enemies. This is the issue that confused its enemies more than its supporters. It is said that it is leaving the Amhara and Afar regions that they have been controlled widely. Many people are not clear in the places they have released. Following this, different ideas will be raised by different sides. By Abiy Ahmed supporters on the side of they are dancing on their media as a big victory of war. But there are many people who are suspicious about the issue from Abiy Ahmed supporters. According to the eyewitness, the Tigray Defense Force has left the areas controlled by the Tigray Defense Force without any war. It is easy to say that it has been hidden, that to say that it is left. So without any reason. War they explain that it's not necessary to rush to say that the hidden army has won, even if the issue is true on the part of Tigray. Most of the people have understood that is a war strategy. However, there is an important question that many people ask. War, where is the war going? Negotiation? In the beginning, many people were suspected that there was an internal ceasefire between the two fighters. The public parts of the war, including Tigray, need humanitarian help for this reason. It may be necessary to stop the war for the time being. The press release was given by the chief secretary who made this suspicion clear. It is a good habit. The Secretary General has appreciated the unusually delivery of 150 cars to Tigray. The people who noticed this have tried to link the reason why the Tigrayan forces left, but this cannot be the main reason. The saying that you have left the federal government to give aid can be taken as a bargaining process. But the Tigray forces have given humanitarian aid from politics. With they don't want it to be connected. Even if the Tigrayan forces leave Afar and Amhara regions, it is not connected with humanitarian aid. Human aid is a matter that is seen outside politics, so this can't be a big. What is fascist Abiy Ahmed saying? Fascist Abiy has put his own direction about the war. The war is about information and propaganda. That is why it looks like he is working widely. After Abiy Ahmed entered the desert, he is saying that he has won the war. Firstly, it is known that the war will be led by himself and has many questions about the change that the war will bring. Meanwhile, Abiy Ahmed, he does not have a structural soldiers to lead. Abiy civilized soldiers are finished. Abiy said he is not a militia, that he is fighting in the Amhara region for the sake of Abiy. He is a farmer militia. Once upon a time, Abiy said that he is not a village militia, but now he is fighting with the militia in action, indeed from television in the past. There is a wide doubt on whether he is leading with cleric. It is a farmer militia who is fighting if he is telling the truth. This has its own problem for the Tigray forces. The farmer militia that Abiy is leading now is not the real enemy of the Tigrayan forces. It is known that the farmer militia is an obstacle to disrupt the movement of the militia of 4 kilo. Not the army of Abiy. As it has been said repeatedly, the Tigray forces have no fight with the people of Amhara, but Abiy is using the poor Amhara farmer as an obstacle. Abiy to extend the war. Amhara farmers are being forced to extend the war. Extending the war is an extension of Abiy life. Therefore, the war is needed on Abiy's side. This is nothing to make the Tigrayan power to think about it. First, to shorten the war, and second, to fight the farmers. It is not acceptable for the Tigray power for many reasons. The right one is a tricked force. He is not an enemy with a goal. Second, Abiy fighting with the farmers that the has banned is to create an endless war that looks like a public war. The Tigray force does not want to have a historical bloodshed with the Amhara people. So here, it is necessary to change their own war strategy to save the farmers and to protect them from the war. We take a different shot and move on to a different idea. Viewers, change of strategy. Abiy Ahmed is the militia army that is seen in the places that he has released. Indeed, he is fighting with the farmers' militia after finishing the regular soldiers. Even though Abiy is a farmer, the Tigray forces don't want to fight against the farmers. So what can be done is to disperse the farmer with heavy weapons or kill them. They say they have left them. This is why it is possible. But they have released it or not. It is not known clearly. It is said that some places are in strategic places outside the city for Tigray forces. They believe that the land of Amhara belongs to the farmers. If the farmers return the places they have released, it will be their own land. The problem to confuse them, but above all, the strategy is the kind of people that they are trying to put in the land. As they say, the Tigray forces are moving without shooting. Abiy militia are following them. There are two things we see here. One of the effort to remove the farmers from the war is being seen widely by the Tigray forces. The second is Abiy soldiers by separating them from the farmers and targeting them to the army. Viewers, in the end, what can be seen as a changing in strategy is to open a new attack on big political center which are the seat of pride. The places that were previously controlled by the Tigray forces may not be that important in terms of political goals. These battles are valued by their economy, but in terms of politics, they may be called a lower example, the main politics. The center of attention is the areas where the bragging power moves like a center. If the strategy changing is true, many people are suspected of Gondar, Bahirdar and Addis Ababa, since these are the center of pride, power that is given. It is believed by many that they may be the next direction of focus. Since the issue is a military issue, there is no more information from the Tigray forces that can be found. But it is possible to predict that there are some serious things that we can take. One of the Tigray forces want to separate the militia from the war. What is needed is to hit the real enemy in order to knock down by places in the war. It is necessary to pass through the military forces of the military forces. It says some changes, even though they are confusing enemies and friends, they want to be sure of one thing. However, there is no doubt that the war is going on in 4 kilo. So viewers, this is the latest update about it. For more latest report, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.